Hey everybody, it's Kurt Drew. We are super excited to announce our brand new NRD University course. It's called our Radon Installation Training. And this course is a game changer. Okay, so you get a brand new person on your production team and you want them to install radon systems for you. You can send them through this online course. They're going to learn a lot of information about what radon is, how it gets into homes, how it causes cancer, all of that stuff. But they're going to learn our best practices on how to mitigate radon, how to install these systems the best way, our proven way, our systemized NRD way. And then also they're going to learn how to install our other products that we sell too, Breathe Easy air cleaners, UVC lights, ERVs. So, hey, we're hoping that you're excited about this course too. Send your production guys through this. And then for the people that are already on your team, how about sending them through the course too? Make sure everybody's doing it the same way, the right way. So, hey, we're looking forward to you guys going through this course. Please let us know any feedback on how we can make it better.